Hello there. Welcome to our online English class. Can you see me clearly? Can you hear me well? All right, that's good to hear. Is my talking speed too fast? All right, thank you so much. So, by the way, my name is Teacher Dara. How about you? What's your name? Anna. Hi, Anna. It's a nice name. Nice to meet you, Anna. All right, Anna, are you excited today? Are you ready to start our lesson? All right, great job. So now let me just share you my screen. Okay, there you go, Anna. Can you see my screen? All right, do we have the same textbook? All right, thank you so much. Okay, so now we are in lesson number 1. And our topic for today is all about okay, that's correct. Very good, Anna. What do you want to do? Great job. And this week's phrase is I want to. Can you say it? Okay, great job, Anna. So now let's move on to the next page. All right, here we go. All right, Anna, let's learn new words. Are you excited? All right, great job. Okay, so before we answer the questions, okay, let's read first the vocabulary, okay? Please repeat after teacher, okay? All right, for picture number 1, play. And letter B, sing. Okay, great job. And next, picture number 2. Letter A, eat. Okay, and letter B, make. All right, very good. So now let's move on. Picture number 3. All right, letter A, dance. Okay, very good, Anna. Next, letter B, sing. Okay, that's good. And let's have the last number, number 4. Okay, letter A, eat. Okay, good. Next, letter B, dance. All right, very good. Thank you for reading with me, Anna. So now, are you ready to answer the questions? All right, so now, all right, Anna, choose the correct word that matches the picture, okay? All right. Okay, so picture number 1, Anna. What are they doing? Is it play or sing? Oh, wow. Yes, that's correct. It's letter A, play. Okay, can you say it? Play. Okay, very good. Next, let's move on. Picture number 2. Okay, what is he doing, Anna? Is it A, eat, or B, make? Oh, all right. Yes, that's correct. It's letter A, eat. Good job. Next, let's have number three. Picture number three. What are they doing? Is it A, dance, or B, sing? Okay, yes, that's correct. It's letter B, sing. Okay, good job, Anna. So now let's have the last picture, number four. Okay, what are they doing? Is it A, eat, or B, dance? All right, yes, good job. Great job, Anna. Yes, it's letter B, dance. All right, good job, Anna. You got all the correct answers. And because of that, I'll give you a reward. A hamburger. Yum, 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 yum. And also a chocolate. Do you like chocolate? Yeah, it's so delicious. Congratulations, Anna. You got all four correct answers. All right, Anna. So, by the way, it's already time. And I'm so happy meeting you today. And you tried your best to express yourself by speaking in English. Good job for that, Anna. Good job. Okay, so see you next time again soon. Goodbye for now, Anna. Have a nice day.